Stop whatever you are doing. If you have a credit card in your hand and you are about to buy a drone, put it down. Seriously, wait. We have just received intelligence that changes the entire landscape of consumer technology. For the last 6 months, we thought we knew what was coming. We were wrong. We weren't thinking big enough. The first solid, undeniable leaks of the DJI Avata 360 have hit the internet, and they are not just good. They are terrifying for the competition. This isn't just a new gadget. This is the device that is going to make your GoPro and your current drone gather dust in a drawer. Let's look at the reality of the situation. Until today, if you wanted 360-degree footage, you bought a stick. If you wanted to fly, you bought a drone. If you wanted cinematic quality, you bought a heavy camera. The Avata 360 is the first device that successfully crushes all three of these categories into one aggressive, compact frame. The leaked images show a design that is clearly inspired by the Neo 2, but it has evolved. It is flatter. It is tighter. It features 4-blade propellers that look like they are ready to slice through the air with zero resistance. It doesn't look like a toy. It looks like a precision tool. But the real viral feature here, the thing that is going to explode on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, is the camera system. We are looking at a dual-lens setup that captures 8K resolution. Yes, you heard me right. 8K. That is 4 times the detail of what most people are watching this video on. The onboard AI stitches the top view and the bottom view together instantly. This means you can fly through a narrow gap, spin the camera in post-production to look at your friend behind you, and then pan up to the sky, all from a single flight. You are capturing 120 megapixel panoramic photos. The amount of data this thing collects is obscene. And for the pilots who crave speed, DJI hasn't forgotten you. When you switch to standard FPV mode, the drone deactivates the rear lens to save power. It focuses everything on the front, giving you 5K resolution at 60 frames per second. This is important because it means you aren't sacrificing frame rate for resolution. You get the best of both worlds. The transmission is backed by the new O4 system, which means your video feed is going to be clearer and travel further than ever before. You are virtually teleporting into the cockpit. Let's talk about the cool factor, because DJI is finally playing the fashion game. The new Fly More combo is slick. The accessories now color match the controller. It looks like a uniform kit. The charging hub holds 3 batteries and has a premium, rounded aesthetic. They even included the manuals right in the box. No QR code hunting required. It is these small quality-of-life improvements that show they are targeting everyone, not just tech nerds. Now, here is the part that sounds like a lie, but the leaks confirm it. The control options are insane. There are rumors of Apple Watch compatibility. Imagine controlling a drone by tapping your wrist. There are voice commands. There are gesture controls. But the best deal is the FPV combo. This package includes the goggles N3 and the motion controller. If you have never flown a drone before, the motion controller makes you feel like a fighter pilot. You just tilt your hand, and the drone follows. It is intuitive, it is immersive, and it is incredibly fun. Finally, we have to talk about the price because this is why I told you to wait. You would expect a hybrid 8K 360 drone to cost thousands. But the leaked pricing from China suggests the base model is going to start around $450 to $500. That is absurdly low. The full combo with all the bells and whistles, 3 batteries, and a fancy controller is landing around $1,000. That is the same price as a standard mid-range drone, but you are getting exponentially more capability. This is the iPhone moment for drones. It is the moment where the technology jumps so far ahead that everything before it feels ancient. The Avata 360 is fast, it sees everything, and it is priced to sell millions. The question isn't if you're going to want one. The question is, will you be able to get one before they sell out? I want to know your honest opinion. Is 8K overkill, or is it exactly what we need? Are you excited about the 360 capabilities? Drop a comment below, because I want to see what the community thinks. If this update saved you from buying the W. Roam Drone, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell icon so you are the first to know when the official pre-orders go live. Share this video with your filmmaker friends, They need to see this. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the revolution.